How to calculate profit margin in Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, press on the cell where you want your profit margin in, and then simply type in is equals to, then select sales cell. After that, simply add minus, and then press on expense cell. Before that, you need to add bracket to the first and second cells. After that, simply write is equals to, and then again click on the sales cell, press on enter. It will come in this way. To turn it into percentage, you'll find percentage sign on top. Below general, simply select, and you will find your profit margin in this way. This is how to calculate profit margin in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.